Hey guys!
Hey, whoa!
Today,
Hey guys.
we got something very, very special.
It's Lexi here, and that's Callie, and that's Blossom, and we got like this package right here.
It's a package. Let's unbox this. I can't wait to see what's inside.
Yeah, I can't wait. I wonder what could be inside.
Okay, so this is the pack.
Is
This
it
is the package right here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, no one.
Ooh. What is in here?
There's like something. Let's see what's in here.
What is it?
Ooh. Aw, that's cute. They're pens. Look. Here, let me take one out. Where? Okay, one. See, look, the little pens.
That is so cute.
So cute.
Hey guys, look. These are fuzzy
Show it to the camera.
beads.
Take it out. Show closer.
Fuzzy beads, I meant. See? This is the back, and this is the front.
What else is in here? Aw, look how cute these are. There's more beads we can make stuff
Okay.
with. Ooh.
And
Candy. We'll
okay,
try these in just a sec.
more candy.
More candy.
And a different flavor of this, like more candy.
Here, let me show you. See? Candy.
It's ooze tube. See? Let me show you at the front. See?
Wait. Wasn't that box right here?
I don't know what it is.
My hands are bothering me. I got cramp in my hand. What is this?
What could it be?
Ready, you guys?
I'm ready. Oh. What is
Yes.
that? What?
Ooh. Look how cute they are. They're like
Where are they?
wine.
Um.
Look. Little bags, I think. Okay, guys.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep that aside.
For now, look at these.
Ooh. They
Yeah.
look good. Look, guys. See? It's
Really trying to open it.
says it's ooze tube.
Gooey candy. Blue raspberry.
Strawberry flavor. Look, it says it's strawberry. Let's try to get this damn thing open.
Don't wait, I can open it myself. Oh. Thanks, Blossom.
Blossom, I need help opening mine.
Open me. I can't.
I can't. Okay, let's just put the box back in here. Let's put the stuff back in there.
I don't know why my eye's twitching. Sorry about that. Let me see. Let me see how clean the.
Over here.
Let me see how clean the lid is. Oh my! It's perfect.
Thanks, Blossom.
It's perfect.
It is perfect. Look. Okay. I think we have to remove something from inside.
But
Yeah, look. It says there's like this thing right here.
Oh yeah.
Time to. Just go.
Where do we put the garbage though?
I barely got it. I was trying to get it with my teeth. Just a sec.
Callie, what are you doing?
Trying to open this thing.
Ugh. Why is it so flippin' hard?
Okay, I got it. Ah!
You're on my tail.
Oh, got it. I got it too.
It's sticky.
Get off of me! Ew! It's on me! Look! Ew! Get!
I haven't had this candy in a long time.
I said get!
I haven't had this candy in I haven't had this candy in a long time.
Sorry, Blossom!
I haven't had this candy in a long time. Ew, it's sticky. Ew. Ew.
Wow! My hands are sticky
Wait
now.
a second. I'm itchy. I'm itchy in my face.
Let's try it. Wait, you guys eat first.
Ew, it's sticky. Gross.
Gross! Get this grass off my hand.
And where do we put the garbage?
I don't know. Okay.
Ow. Wait.
Well, it says we have to squeeze it.
Ah.
I don't want to try it. Okay.
I'll just squeeze it on my finger. Ooh,
Me
it's
too.
drippy.
I'll just squeeze it on my finger.
Look. It's sticky.
See? I squeezed some on my finger. Well, thanks. Cheers. Ooh. Ah, that's sour, kind of. Tastes like raspberry and strawberry, but it says it's only strawberry flavored.
It's sour.
Yeah.
Wait, let me squirt some.
That's good. Wait, let me squirt some too. Guys, look. It's tail wiggling good. I rate this a 9 out of 10.
I rate that 9 paws out of 10, you meant?
9 paws. Oh wait,
9 paws.
9 paws.
How many
Don't count
carrots
this
is
one.
Ah! Not again. My eye is so
Time for these.
Can't see. Look. Sorry, it's just my hair was in my eyes.
It says Mike and Ike Tropical Typhoon. And it says this is how big they are right
It
here.
says press here.
See,
Look.
oh yeah, it does say press here. Look. Guess we press it.
How do I? I'm just ruining the package. See?
I got it. Look, I got it open. Hey, look, someone. Ah! Oh no, not a pink one. Look. Oh wait, Lexi, let me show you. Oh, ew, there's grass on me. Gross. Ew, it's still on me.
I know where to put the garbage.
Look, see?
I'll be right back.
Look. See, there's
Can we just grab all the
blue right
garbage?
here, orange, and pink.
I know where to put the garbage. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey, she's a runner, she's a track star.
There. Wow. Okay, let's see what colors it says it is. It says the orange is mango, the pink is paradise punch, and the blue is Caribbean punch. I don't know how to pronounce. Can you guys pronounce this? Cause no. Oh gosh, spilled. Was that was unexpected. Do you guys know how to? Let me just cover this. Do you guys know how to pronounce like this one right here, the blue one? It's kind of tealish, but here, let me show it. It's okay. You guys can't even read it. Yeah. Oh God. Let's wait until Lexi gets here. Oh, if you haven't noticed, I got bracelets on and necklaces. They're. That's Lexi. Ah! Lexi, there you are. We were waiting for you to try these.
Oh, well, we're actually gonna be selling those pens for $10. We're like doing something.
Cool.
Get off my pants.
Okay. Okay.
Did you? Oh, how do I open this? Callie. I'm itchy. Oh my God, my hair's on my face.
There you go. That's better.
For now, I'm just gonna have more of this. It's like toothpaste.
No, I got it. Okay, I'm just wrecking the package. I'm just gonna open it. Actually, yeah. It's not working, so I'm just gonna open it this way.
Okay,
Ouch.
let me try to open it. Good.
Oh look, I got a red one. See?
Ah!
It says the red one's strawberry banana. Which one did you get, Lexi?
I got lots of them, but I'm just gonna have the blue one.
Wait,
See? Wait.
cheers.
See? Wow!
Okay, that's good. The red tastes like a strawberry banana smoothie.
Where'd it go? Oh.
What's wrong, Blossom? It's not opened enough. That's why it's not coming out. Just push that back. And here.
The blue one tastes good. Wait, I have a great idea.
What is it? Oh, yeah, I know what you're doing. Let's take a Mike and Ike
One Mike and Ike actually.
and take this.
Open this.
Open.
And then squirt it
Like you're squirting toothpaste on a toothbrush.
on there.
And now we got like a cool looking thing.
See?
Okay.
Wait, what about like Blossom?
Blossom's
she's
getting
doing
hers.
it.
Okay, ready?
3, 2,
2, 1.
1. Mm.
Okay. That's sour, but also sweet.
And it's good.
There's some on my hands. Ew.
Yeah, my hands are quite sticky. I'm trying the orange one.
See, look. Trying to make my hands not sticking in the grass. Now the grass is sticking to me.
And we're actually selling the pens for $10.
Let me try the blue one.
I tried it. It was good.
I give this 10 paws out of 10.
Which one?
They're making nice.
Same here. Wherever you felt. Oh, a pink one. Oh. I wonder what this tastes like.
It makes me want to dance. The strawberry tastes good. Actually, the pink one. Wow,
The pink one tastes so good.
it does.
Yum.
I'm eating it now.
Blossom, do you try the pink one? Is it good? Good. Okay, I think that's it for the
That's
unboxing.
it for the unboxing. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully in the next video or shorts or whatever, we're gonna be doing like some sort of quads. Before we go, I just wanted
If
to
you
do
haven't
something.
already, make sure to like and subscribe for more of our videos like this one.
Yep.
Is it coming out?
Yeah, it is. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, ready?